Okay, I'm Adam with Picture Perfect Pool Services. I wanted to test pH and chlorine for you guys so your lifeguards can test it. So first you want to test the pH first, always. What you want to do is get your sample from about elbow length down. Always mix the vial out pretty good. You want to fill it to the 44 milliliter. Here, the top line here on the vial. What you're going to do, it's simple. You take the R004, the pH reagent, take the bottle always 90 degrees up and down so you get a clean, nice drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take the cap, the lid here. You don't want to shake it up real hard. You just want to invert it a few times like this. Then take your glasses off. What you do, I normally put my back in the sun. We're in the shade here. You match it up the color to the left here with all the numbers, the pH here. So we're looking at about a 7.6, 7.7-ish, which is about where you want to be. You see that? All right, we'll test the chlorine now. Free chlorine. Rinse the vial out always, elbow down. This time you're gonna fill it to the 10 milliliter line. See that? Pretty simple. Now you take your DPD powder here with the scooper. You take two little scoops. 1, 2, as I like to do, with a little flick. Get the residue off of there. Mix it up a little bit. The pink, you're gonna hit droppers until it turns clear now. See it pink now, so I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Divide that by 2, it's 3.5. So your reading is 3.5 parts per million chlorine. And that does it, pretty simple.
For pool services, call 925-370-6675.